The yellow car is in the way here.
This is crazy, Brooklyn. The mayor said it cleared the streets. There's no street cleaning here.
Tight turn. How am I looking over here?
Not good. I wouldn't go.
No?
No, it's a little close. You gotta go straight. No, don't. You see? Yeah, don't do it. This guy is stuck over there. Easy, easy. Easy, easy, Steve.
In any business, you're gonna get criticism that some of this stuff online is completely untrue. So I talked to a lawyer, but he couldn't help. He said the internet was
The
like
agitator.
full of people with itchy trigger fingers. So I said, if it's the wild
And this shit don't burn too much gas on 4x4 for some reason.
It's not?
No!
the internet turns against your business, you don't need some guy in a white hat. You need reputation defense.
Well, the mayor said he cleaned up all the streets.
Fast and effective justice for
Everywhere you go, this is.
internet content.
Yo, it is crazy out here, man.
Yep.
Can I cut up this block? What block is this?
No, you can't cut up this block.
Reputation
That's
is a recognized
that's Remsen and what's that? 53rd.
Visit reputation.com or call 800-548-9009. 800-548-9009. Call now. We'll add a reputational.
This is what, 53rd?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
800-548-9009. Don't wait to start setting the record straight about your business online.
What are you taping, man?
I'm putting this up on YouTube.
You need to see it from overhead. That's what the best thing to do.
Good afternoon. It's 35 degrees at 1.
So them cars are parked every which way. None of the streets are plowed. None. Not in Brooklyn.
Your street's gonna get plowed. You're not alone. But the mayor says all the abandoned vehicles and unnecessary 911 calls have compounded the problem.
Ah, the mayor's full of crap. Just didn't have a good contingency plan.
Unnecessary.
Yeah. They should have been plowing ever since it started. Started salting the road and plowing at the same time.
The truck down there is stuck.
Yeah. Trucks down the block is stuck everywhere.
Big and the Eagles host Vikings tonight. The Knicks face LeBron and company in Miami. Rangers, Devils, Islanders all have the night off. This is Larry Kofsky. The stock market remains mixed. The Dow improving a little further.
Whoa.
It's now up 20 points. The Nasdaq is still down almost 5.
I'm
going on this block.
I wouldn't advise you to.
Parkway slowing out by Flatbush Avenue. More delays by the Verrazano Bridge with a stall getting cleared. Thanks for Julie who checked in with that story. We also have pretty good.
There's no movement here.
Expressway coming off the belt up to the Prospect. No
All right, well, go down that block then.
They did a pretty good job.
Go around them.
Highway, so folks are moving at a pretty good clip in either
You
direction.
can do it.
Meanwhile, you're riding Queens, slowing eastbound LIE at Woodhaven Boulevard. Couple
Yeah, the
of lanes
street look a
closed
little
off there
bit
with a
clean.
crash. Thanks to Joe who checked in with details. Heavy again for the cross on the Parkway out across the Nassau line. Snow removal activities and westbound side slowing at Little Neck Parkway where a stall blocks the right lane. Grand Central Parkway was an earlier stall at 188th Street. More delays getting by the
Damn, look at all down there, man.
there instead of the normal 4, so give yourself extra time heading past the airport. And of course, extra time and patience needed at all the airports today. Up to 3 to 5 hour delays on arrivals and departures as they play catch up.
Niggas is like, damn, these motherfuckers is moving. They going anywhere they want to, man.
More snow activity to blame.
I can't put this on YouTube. They gotta bleep that stuff out.
What?
Motherfucker.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh.
Both ways because of that earlier crash, the lower level, your time saver. This report brought to you by Hyundai. Act during the Hyundai Holidays event to save on the
This is crazy. Every block you go on, there's truck stuck,
only for a short time, only at your Hyundai dealer for lease details.
ambulance stuck,
164-114. I'm Mike Weinstein on 1010 Risk.
accessoride stuck.
Bus vans and ambulances are still stuck in the snow around the city. The mayor says
That's a one-way right there, right? Let's check that one way.
Make a right turn on East
Yeah.
54.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's not jammed up.
You avoid Alton.
If the response was adequate, if your street was not
Let's look
blocked,
first. It shouldn't be jammed.
adequate.
Nobody likes to go down these streets.
All the time.
It's fucked.
We are
Oh,
doing
okay, can't go down there.
I think that this city has pulled together.
It's fucked up
don't
there.
think that we should sit around and think that the end of the world is here. When a reporter asked if the mayor had any regrets about
Go down on 55th.
emergency, his honor replied, I regret everything in the world.
Stay home.
Dan Brooks,
If you
1010
can find a
wins
nice
at OEM
spot.
headquarters in Brooklyn.
But you still can't see the pavement in many parts of the snow-socked city 2 days later, and the complaints are getting louder in the outer boroughs. Councilman Daniel
Exactly.
shaking his head, short of stamping his feet on the unplowed snow on 75th Street.
That there has been no plow in this neighborhood at all. You can just see that a plow has never come
Can I
down
get
this
past
street.
him? Is the traffic there behind him?
You
I
can
don't see nobody. I don't
go
see
around. You can go around them and go down on 55th. Watch.
Stuck.
Watch out behind you.
Why the city was so unprepared for the storm, because
No, I'm wondering if I can go this way.
Yeah, on 55th. Yeah.
Hold hearings to find out who dropped the ball. Juliet Papa, 1010 wins in Jackson Heights. Brooklyn State Assemblyman Doug Hyken tells 1010 wins he blames the mayor.
I don't think he has a clue to what's going on in the outer boroughs, the difficulty. I mean, it is universal.
The mayor doesn't have a clue what's going on in the outer boroughs.
And the lack of response. Plain and simple. Just the horror.
He's also calling for the resignation of the city's sanitation commissioner.
Yeah.
Public advocate Bill de Blasio says he will investigate, and city councilwoman Letitia James says she plans to hold hearings. Wayne's News Time 144.
Prestige BMW, if you're enjoying
Man, he's even tired in that shit. Oh!
What?
Blocked up.
Oh no, we catch you right on 55th right here.
Nah, that's blocked up. Look at it.
You can get through there.
finance rates, first come, first served with immediate delivery. This exclusive executive loaner and demo event is at Prestige.
All right. You just want to get them a sample of
Look at
what it looks like out here.
I can't go down there.
Less than 2 weeks ago, the Heat cooled down the Knicks. It's attempt number 2 for Mari Company. Tonight from South Beach.
Kings Highway's coming up or Linden?
Remember 56 that what runs us down the Kings Highway, so we just wait a little bit longer.
Hopefully it's clear.